What triggers an IRS audit? 4-gig economy income reporting. Imagine working hard in your side hustle or gig job and then wondering if the IRS is watching. Well, certain things can make the taxman take a closer look at your return. If you earn money through ride-sharing, food delivery, renting out property, or selling online, the IRS considers you a small business owner. That means your income and expenses need to be reported accurately. One big reason the IRS might audit you is if you don't report all your income. They get copies of tax forms like W-2s, which are for employees, and 1099-Ks or 1099 MISCs for independent contractors and gig workers. If the income on your tax return doesn't match what these forms show, it raises a red flag. Even if you work part-time or get paid in cash or digital assets, you still need to report every dollar earned. Not reporting all income can lead to an audit or penalties. Another trigger is claiming deductions that seem too large compared to your income. For example, if you make $5,000 from gig work but claim $5,000 in expenses for gas, vehicle repairs, or supplies, the IRS might question if you're overstating your deductions or hiding income. Keeping clear records of your expenses and separating personal from business costs helps prevent this. For instance, if you buy a new phone for your business, keep the receipt and note it as a business expense. Failing to make quarterly estimated tax payments can also cause trouble. Since gig workers usually don't have taxes taken out of their pay, they're expected to pay taxes 4 times a year. If you wait until tax time to pay everything owed, especially if it's a large amount, the IRS may flag your account for review. Making those estimated payments on time shows you're managing your taxes responsibly. Mixing personal and business transactions is another common mistake. Using the same bank account or credit card for both can make it hard to prove what's what. Not keeping accurate records or receipts for your business expenses also raises suspicion. The IRS uses computer algorithms to spot inconsistencies, so honesty and good record keeping are your best tools. For Black families relying on gig work to build wealth or support their households, understanding these triggers is key. Staying organized, reporting all income, paying taxes on time, and keeping receipts can help avoid unnecessary audits. Using apps to track earnings and expenses makes this easier. Consulting a tax professional can also help ensure you're following all the rules. Being proactive with your tax reporting not only keeps you safe from audits but also helps you stay on top of your financial goals.